Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now we are continuing solving some math challenges or math problems, and we continue to solve some problems with exponents. Okay, let's see our problem today. The problem is find the value of x. Okay, what is the equation? X to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 2 times 6 brackets to the power of 3. Okay, it's very easy to solve this problem. Just concentrate and be focused. Okay, let's at first make this smaller. Okay. Okay, like that. At first, I need to solve this problem. What shall I do? We just need to think how to solve this. I can think that, okay, remember with me, if I have two equal sides, okay, left side and right side. If the left side equals, for example, x plus 2, and the right side, for example, equals y plus or minus 7, okay? Let's say that it's just an assumption. Let's assume that this side equals, for example, a, or let's put number like 7. Okay, so this side must be or must equal 7 too. Why? Because there is an equal sign between them. Okay, if this equals 7, the left side, so the right side must equal 7 too. Okay, so that's the same. X to the power of x to the power of y must equal, okay, the value of the right side, 2 times 6 all to the power of a to the power of 3. Okay, so if I put the left side 7, if I raised it to the power of 3, then I must raise the right side to the power of 3. Okay, why? Because I have an equal sign between them. Okay, I think it's very easy. Okay, let's go again to our question. We need to remove this. Okay, I need you to know another thing. Okay, remember with me, if I have a basis like a to the power of b, okay, or I'm sorry, to the power of a equals a basis p raised to the power of b, then what will you think? You know, there's an equal sign, and the basis equals the power or the exponent. So I must know that the basis equals the basis, and the exponent equals the exponent. Why? Because there is an equal sign. Okay, so I must say that a equals to b. Okay, this is what I want to do. I want to make the left side as a basis raised to the same value in exponent. You know, like a raised to the power of a. I want to make the same thing. And here too, I want to make it the basis equals its exponent. Like b is raised to the power of b. Okay, Okay. So let's solve our problem. Let's start. We need to remove this at first. Okay. Now you know what I'm going to do. So let's do it. Oh my God. Okay, there it is. So I'm going to multiply these two numbers at first. Okay. So I'm going to say that x to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 2 to the power 2 times 6 equals 12. Okay, raised to the power of 3. Okay, now let's make it bigger. 12 to the power of 3. Now what am I going to do? Okay, you can remember that if I raise this to any power, I must raise this to the same power. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to raise the left side. Okay. Okay, let's make it in another step, or the following step. Let's make this smaller, okay, let's make this small, like this. Okay. And raise this a little. Okay. Now, x to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 12 to the power of 3. I'm going to raise the left side to the power of 4. You remember, I want to make the bases like its exponents. Just remember that. Okay, so I took this 4 and I raised all the bases to the power of 4. Now I must do that for the right side too. So I'm going to raise the right side to the same power, which is 4. Okay. Okay. Now just take this and make it like basis and its exponent or its power. I'm going to say that x to the power of x to the power of 4 to the power of 4 equals 12 to the power of what? I'll multiply these powers, okay, or exponents together. 3 times 4 equals what? Equals 12. Now look, you remember I said that I want to make the bases like its exponents, the same value. Here 12 and here 12 too. Okay, now I'll stop for the right side, but I'll continue with the left side. Okay, now we are concentrating on the left side. Now, what shall I do? You remember that a to the power of b to the power of c equals what? Equals a to the power of c to the power of b. What have I done? I put this here and put this there. Okay, so I'm replacing or exchange their places. Okay. Okay, it's very easy. So let's do this on the same equation we are solving. Okay, remove this. Now I'm going to make this like x to the power of what? To the power of 4. I'll deal with this as one exponent, okay? It's like a one value, okay? So I'm going to put this here and I'll put this there. Okay, let's make this together. X to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4. Okay, power of x to the power of 4. I think it's very easy. Okay, I put this here and this there. Okay, Okay, equals 12 to the power of 12. Okay, now I reached the end of this question or equation. I reached that basis equals its exponent. So here too, basis equals its exponent. How? The basis here is x to the power 4, and its exponent is x to the power 4 too. Okay, so this equals this. Okay, so I can say that the basis equals the basis, and the exponent equals the exponent. So I can say that x to the power 4 equals 2 or equals 12. Okay, then I can say that the value of x that he asked me about, okay, let's make it smaller. It's really hard to put all of them in the same page. Okay, maybe we can move this here, move this here. Okay, let's make it here. Okay, so I can say that we must take the fourth root for both sides, left side and right side, like x to the power 4 equals 12. I want to find the value of x, just x, not x to the power 4. So I'm going to take the fourth root for the left side, then I must take it to the right side because of the equal sign between them. So I'm taking here too the fourth root of 12. Okay, then I can say that x equals the fourth root of 12. And that's what he asked me for. Okay, that is the solution. Now I won't stop here. Okay, I'm going to check my answer. Let's check our answer. Now I'm going to remove the most of these. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, I solved this equation. Okay, I solved this problem. I'm just going to check my answer. Okay, let's remove this and this and this, 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 this. All of these. Let's remove all of this. Okay. I'm going to put this. Oh my god, what's happening? Okay, here. Now I'm going to check my answer. Check my answer. Let's check. How to check the answer? I knew that x equals the fourth root of 12. You can calculate it on your calculator. Okay, it will be equal. Okay, there are a lot of numbers. I want to take all of these numbers. I'm just going to take 4 numbers, okay, after the decimal point. It's equals, okay, 1.8612. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Okay, now I'm going to solve the left side here with this number. It's like left side equals x, which is that number 0.8612. The power of x, the same number, 1.8612 to the power of 4 to the power of 4. Okay, this equals what? You will find that it equals 1.727.6 6. Okay, you can find that on your calculator. Now we are going to find the right side. Right side, it must be the same value, or it must equal the same value. Okay, right side equals 2 times 6 equals 12 to the power of 3. You will find it on your calculator. Oh, let's make it, okay, it's approximately okay, definitely it's 1728. Can you see that? 1728, and this 1727.6. So we can make this like that. Let's make this at the bottom. That equals 1728. So that's the same value. Okay, so that explains that our solution is correct. Okay, so I can say that, let's remove this too. I don't want to remove this. Okay, maybe we can make this. Maybe I can remove this. Okay, maybe. Okay, I made it smaller. So I can say that the right side or left side equals right side. So the answer is correct. Or the value of x is correct. Okay, now we finished this problem and solved it. I hope you understood this problem, and it was nice for watching this video. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comment if you solved this equation with another solution or anything else. You can write your solution in the comment, and if you find that it's useful for you, you can write in the comment. You can put it in the comment too. And if you want to like the video, you can like the video. And if you want to share with your friends, you can share it. So it would be, maybe it would be useful for them. Have a nice time. And this is the end. See you in the next videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.